So what can you do with hypno-psychedelics? How about introducing your client or yourself to extraordinary states of consciousness that feel unbounded, that feel, you know, that you are interconnected with all that is. Or maybe you're just tapping into that greater part of who you really are. You know, there's 98% of you that is outside of your conscious awareness, that once you can tap into all of that, it's really hard to unsee it. So we tap into that, and then we can connect it to where people need it. So if you have clients that get stuck or sometimes forget who the fuck they really are and start shit-talking themselves, you can fire off this anchor so that they can remember just how extraordinary they are. And when they're in that space of remembering, and then you say, now see that trigger, or now hear your partner say that thing, or now see that person cut you off in traffic, you'll notice a big fucking difference.